Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are in Noda, one of Charlotte's most popular neighborhoods, and we're going to be looking at some real estate. We got two properties to show you. So one we're going to be looking at is new construction, it's apartment, and then the other one is a single family home. Here in Noda you can find a whole array of different types of homes, from new construction to older homes in the early 1900s that have been renovated. We're going to be showing you kind of both here today. So the first one we're going to look at is right behind me. It's 501 East 37th Street. We're going to go right in, we're going to take a look. You made it. Welcome to 501 East 37th Street, Unit H here in Noda. And as you can see, this place is dialed in. It really has all the upgrades. So a little bit about this apartment. It is just over 1,100 square feet and it is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So let's start here in the living space. You got plenty of room to go ahead, put a table to eat at, and then over this way, room for your couches and good wall space for a really big TV. Now over here, look at this. Your own little porch. Nice little deck area where you can go ahead, put out some patio furniture, really just take in the fresh air, and you're right in downtown Noda. So let's go over here to the kitchen. Alright, so over here in the kitchen, you have your quartz countertops, you get stainless steel appliances, a nice side-by-side fridge. Come over this way, Dylan, check this out. All of the cabinetry has chrome finishes, and they're soft touch. Love that. So throughout the house you have really nice fixtures as well, and then we'll make our way to the bedroom area. Alright, so just around the corner here you have your first bedroom. You step in and it's some pretty good space. You come in, you get some nice lighting here. You can see the light rail, the train tracks here as well, and all the other apartment buildings that are being developed here in Noda, which is also really cool. Come over, you get some really tall closet space, which is roughly about 8 feet, some built-in shelving as well. And then come over this way. This is what I really like. You have your own door to the hall bath. So you come in here and we'll just open this up gently. You got access to the bathroom where you can go ahead and lock this off so that way it can be your own private bath, but you have your own way in so you don't have to exit your room to go into the bathroom, which is pretty nice. So here's another look at the bathroom that we were just talking about. You have your granite countertops, which are really nice. Again, you have the chrome finishes, which are cool, and then a nice walk-in shower as well. And we'll go over to the primary bedroom. On the way over to the primary bedroom, you have this really nice open, I guess you could call it den or office area, which still has some really good lighting. And then let's step into the primary. My favorite thing about this is the windows. Look at this, a nice, and I'm really, I don't know, I guess you could say OCD. So I really like that is this nice square of 9 windows. Dylan's laughing at me here, but that's all right. I also like that it's a corner unit. It makes it cool. You can look out, again, you can see all the development that's going on in Noda here. As you can see, there's another apartment building being built just over there. And then you come over this way, we'll do a turn here. Look at this sliding door. I love that. And you come in to your primary bedroom right here. Again, you have the granite countertops, the chrome finishes, which are really nice, a tall walk-in shower, and then some really nice walk-in closet space. As you can see, I'm not too big of a guy, but still, this is some really good space. So as you can see, this would be a really cool place to live. The best part about it is you are right in the heart of Noda, so you're in walking distance to all of the great breweries, the art galleries, and everything else that Noda has to offer. Now, if apartment living in new construction isn't your vibe, you're more of a single family type of person, let me go ahead, I'll throw it over to Dylan, who's gonna show you another great property here in Noda that's a little pricier than this, but it may be more of what you're looking for.
We're here now at a single-family residence right in the heart of Noda. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, single-family residence at about $850,000, upgraded to the 9s, you don't get any better than this. Upgraded quartz countertops, new appliances. There's a plethora of things out there. If you're looking for a upgraded spot for you and your family right in downtown, this is your place.
This is 1318 Shamrock Drive. Built in 1930, this property has been stripped to the studs and fully renovated. It is just under 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and sits on 0.17 acres. It features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors throughout, along with many other modern upgrades. Let us know in the comments if this is a property you'd like to live in. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when our next video drops. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. And if you have a real estate need or looking to move here to Charlotte, you can email us at info@tdl-entertainment.com. We would love to be your real estate resource, and we'll see you in the next video.